everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna have Kickstart to Fitness number 8 and we're gonna focus on our core. Yeah. So we have 8 minutes in front of us and we're gonna target entire midsection of our body. And yeah, you can do this workout after any of other Kickstart to Fitness, so it will add up and you will see the great benefits also in your core. Alright, so without further ado, let's go into the workout. So we have a timer again, 15 seconds of your rest and 45 seconds of your work. I'm going to press it now and we're going to start with the crunches. I'm going to lead you throughout the workout with a proper form. The crunches, hands behind your head, and we're going to lift up the legs and you're just going to lift it up and lower yourself down and down. Okay, your elbows are outside all the time. Don't come up like this, just pick it up. Good, and squeeze and exhale. Keep your legs as well in 90-degree angle and squeeze and up and come up. Exhale. Also your side is all the time up the ceiling or on the sky. Okay, alright, next exercise is leg lifts. So we're gonna put your hands below your booty. You're gonna extend your legs and you're gonna just lift them up and lower them down. Okay, lift them up and lower them down, squeezing your core. So if you're arching your back, just stop where you feel the arch. So if it's like arching like that, stop it, okay? Because we don't want to have that, okay? That's why you're keeping your hands on the booty, so that it's a little bit easier for you. You can also lift the head up if you want to, and slowly lower it down, up, and slowly lower it down, and squeeze. So we are working on our lower abs. Good job. Squeeze it. Okay, awesome job. The next exercise we're gonna have is a Windshield Wipers. We're gonna do it like in this motion, but you're gonna have the hands next to you. You're gonna go like this, and then you're gonna extend one leg and come back up to the other side and extend. Good. Come up, squeeze it, extend. It works your love handles and extend. You can also extend both of your legs, coming up and extend. Firmly press on the ground, put your hands and squeezing your core. Good job. And again. Good job. A little bit more. And pull yourself up with the side abs. Very good job. I hope you feel it already. Now we have the U circle. So again, hands below your booty, and we're gonna do the U circles. Okay, you're writing a letter U and lowering down and coming back up. Okay, letter U. It's the same as a leg lift. Okay. Good job. Just as we are doing the letter U. Going the sideways. Also breathing. And we're gonna do the slow motion. Good job. Perfect. Keep your feet together. Awesome job. Next one, we have heel touches. So here it is. If you're gonna have the legs hip width apart, it's gonna be a little bit easier to touch it, but if you're gonna keep it together, it's gonna be a little bit harder to reach. Yeah? So it's up to you. Right now you should really feel your core working. Abs on fire, because we are focused only on the abs today. And breathe. You're also gonna feel an entire ab working. It's burning, but we're not gonna give up. Okay, that feels good. Okay, so next one you're gonna have the leg lifts. Okay, one at a time. So touch it and touch it. You can also do it like this. You can touch the legs. Okay. Good job. And exhale. Pointing your toes. And breathe. You can do this. You have to feel it with the lifting your head up. You feel it the upper abs, and with lowering the legs down, your lower abs are working. Good job. So now we have two final exercises, which is gonna be plank. First one, you're gonna go into the plank on your hands. Okay, squeezing core, pressing with your heels back, and you're just in one straight line. Don't be like this. A lot of people doing plank like this, but try to go front so you will feel your core even more. Hold it, breathe. It burns, it burns, it burns. I know it burns, but this is how it's supposed to be. It's supposed to feel the burning. Come on, you can do this. You have 10 seconds to go. And put the booty down, tuck it under, don't put it up like that, okay? 3, 2, 1, okay. Rest a little bit. And now we're gonna have plank on the forearms. And when we reach the 30 seconds mark, we're gonna go up and down, okay? So first, we are here for 15 seconds. Breathe. And now we're gonna go up and down. If this is too hard for you, you can always go on your knees and try to do this variation from the knees. Otherwise, challenge yourself. You can do this. Come on. And you're changing your arms with different moves. This is kind of hard. One more. Okay. Woo. And we did it. Awesome job. Gonna stop it. Okay, so I'm gonna come closer so that you'll see after this routine basically how my abs just popped out, because you have to keep them under tension all the time, and you will see great results. But of course you don't forget about the proper diet, the proper food when you're doing the abs training. You know, no junk, no sweets, not excessive fat, and you will see it, okay? Alrighty, so that was a quick workout. So 8 minutes, start the fitness number 8, and do this ab exercise. You can even do them every single day. You can train your abs every single day. Alright, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have helps my channel a lot. You can also follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. I will link it down below here. And if you have any questions, let me know. If you want to see more of my training style, let me know. I will soon do a little bit different videos because I'm going to Europe and I think I'm gonna train there in the real gym. We'll see how that goes, and I will start doing my own summer shred program on a daily basis, and I will also film my progress. So I will test out my own program. Alright, so I hope you like this video.